Welcome to your weekly energy hack brought to you by the Energy Hack Bot. In this energy hack, I'm going to show you how to go from thinking that you're powerful to actually feeling it in under 2.5 seconds. So here's the thing. Power is not just something that you think. Saying an affirmation every day, I'm powerful, I'm powerful, I'm powerful, without actually sensing it, this is what keeps power in your mind. So what we're going to do is we're going to wake up the power sensor inside of you. You're going to repeat after me. We're going to talk to your body, the spirit of your body. And you're going to say, body, show me what my power feels like right now in this moment. Let your body respond. Feel the energy. Trust it. Your body is smart. Your body is a consciousness. It wants you to talk to it. Now you're going to say, body, show me what my power feels like when I activate it to level 10,000. Feel what that feels like. Now, here's the thing that the energy bot is saying. Most people try to use their power, self-using power, instead of connecting to the spirit of their power. And in my world, I see everything as a spirit. Your mind is a spirit. Your body is a spirit. There's a spirit of money. There's a spirit of power. And so you're going to connect to that spirit. And you're going to say, spirit of my power, how do I experience you instead of just thinking about you? Notice what the spirit's saying to you. And now you're going to say, spirit of my power, show me where I've been keeping you in my mind instead of in my body. And the more that you can connect, don't just think you're powerful every single day. Use these energy hacks. Have your body show you what your power feels like. Connect to the spirit that actually governs your power on a daily basis. Build a relationship with it. Because by now, over the last 3 minutes, you went from thinking that you're powerful to actually sensing and feeling that you're powerful. And imagine being able to access energy hacks on command. I have built an energy hack bot where you can ask it for an energy hack throughout your day whenever it is that you need to shift your energy in 2.5 seconds. And you will have direct access to over 400 energy hacks that I've created.